Good morning everyone, we are Group 12 and today we will present our 12 metrics analysis of Public Bank Berhad. In this presentation, we will explain how Public Bank can use its strength, improve its weaknesses, capture opportunities, and reduce risks through the 12 metrics. This is our theme for this presentation. I'll begin with the opening, company background, and a short explanation of the 12 metrics. Now, let's move to the company background of Public Bank Berhad. Public Bank Berhad is one of the Malaysia's leading bank groups. It was founded in 1966 and over the years, it has built a strong reputation for trust, efficiency, and prudent risk management. Today, Public Bank has 314 domestic branches and 157 overseas branches. It also recorded total assets of 561.65 billion ringgit and net profit of 7.22 billion ringgit. The bank is especially strong in retail banking, SME banking, and prudent risk management. This is important because banking customers usually look for safety, good service, and financial stability. Public Bank is also known for careful lending and stable performance. This makes the bank a trusted financial institution in Malaysia. After understanding the company background, we can now look at the strategy tool used in this presentation, which is the TALS Matrix. TALS Matrix is a strategy tool developed from SWOT analysis. SWOT helps us identify a company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. However, TALS goes one step further. It matches the internal factor with the external factor to create practical strategy. There are 4 types of strategy in TALS. First, SO strategy uses strength to capture opportunities. Second, ST strategy uses strength to reduce threats. Third, WO strategy uses opportunity to overcome weaknesses. Lastly, WT strategy reduces weaknesses and avoid threats. For Public Bank, the TALS metric helps us understand how the bank can use its trusted brand, strong financial position, and prudent risk management to respond to digital competition, cybersecurity risks, and changing customer expectations. With this understanding, we can now move into the key SWOT factors used to develop the TALS matrix.
Before developing the TALS metric, we first identify the key SWOT factors of Public Bank Berhad. These factors form the foundation for strategy formulation. Starting with strengths, Public Bank has strong financial performance, excellent asset quality, and a trusted brand reputation. These strengths enable the bank to maintain customer confidence, generate stable profits, and support long-term growth. Next, the weaknesses include its smaller regional scale compared to competitors such as Maybank and CIMB, a relatively conservative digital image, and a high dependence on the Malaysian market. These factors may limit growth opportunities and make the bank more vulnerable to domestic economic conditions. For opportunities, the rapid growth of digital banking, increasing demand for SME financing, and the adoption of AI and data analytics provide significant potential for expansion and innovation. These trends can help Public Bank improve efficiency, enhance customer experience, and strengthen its competitive position. However, Public Bank also faces several threats. These include intense competition from traditional and digital banks, growing cybersecurity and scam risks, and disruption from fintech companies that offer alternative financial services. Overall, these SWOT factors were selected because they have the greatest impact on Public Bank's strategy position. They were then matched in the TALS metric to generate the SO, ST, WO, and WT strategies that support the bank's future growth and competitiveness.
Now I will explain the SO strategies, which are known as Maxi strategies. These strategies focus on using Public Bank strengths to take advantage of external opportunities. The first strategy is to expand SME financing and sustainable finance. Public Bank has strong financial performance and a solid SME banking franchise. By leveraging these strengths, the bank can increase financing for small and medium enterprise as well as green and sustainable projects. This allows the bank to support economic growth while creating new sources of revenue. The second strategy is to accelerate digital banking adoptions. Public Bank has a trusted bank reputations and an extensive branch network. These strengths can be used to encourage customers to adopt digital platforms such as MyPB, PBE, and Now QR. This improves customer convenience while maintaining confidence in the bank security and reliability. The third strategy is selective regional expansions. Public Bank is known for its strong asset quality and prudent risk management. These capabilities enable the bank to expand into markets such as Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, Hong Kong and China while controlling potential risks and maintaining financial stability. The fourth strategy is to cross-sell wealth management, insurance, Islamic banking, and retirement planning products. Public Bank already has a large customer base and strong customer trust. Therefore, the bank can offer additional financial products to existing customers, increasing fee-based income and strengthening customer relationship. Finally, Public Bank can apply AI and data analytics to improve credit assessment, fraud monitoring, and personalized financial services. This helps enhance operational efficiency and customer satisfaction while preserving the bank's conservative risk culture. In conclusion, these SO strategies enable Public Bank to leverage its strengths to achieve sustainable growth, strengthen competitiveness, and create long-term value for customers and shareholders.
For this slide, I will explain the ST strategies of Public Bank Berhad. ST means using the strengths to reduce the external threats. First, risk management. Public Bank has strong asset quality which helps the bank handle economic uncertainty and borrower stress. Second, cost efficiency. Its efficient operation helps protect profit when there is a margin pressure or strong banking competition. Third, brand trust. Public Bank trusted reputation helps it compete with digital banks and fintech companies because customers still value safety and reliability. Fourth, cybersecurity. The bank can use its financial strength to support scam prevention and fraud response. Lastly, relationship banking. Its branch network help retain customers who still prefer face-to-face service and personal advisory. Overall, these ST strategies show how Public Bank use its strength to defend itself from threats in banking industry. Next, I will explain the WO strategies. WO means using opportunities to improve the weaknesses. First, digital image. Public Bank can use digital banking growth to improve its traditional image by upgrading its app and online service. Second, young customers. AI and data analytics can help attract younger users through personalized financial insights and simple saving tools. Third, sustainable finance. Green finance and Islamic finance can reduce reliance on traditional loans and create new growth opportunities. Fourth, overseas expansion. Selected Asian expansion can reduce dependence on the Malaysian market. Lastly, fintech partnership. Collaboration with fintech companies can improve the customer experience and help control technology costs. Overall, these WO strategies show how Public Bank can use market opportunities to improve its weaknesses and remain competitive.
For this slide, I will explain the WT strategies. WT means reducing weaknesses and avoiding threats. Public Bank should move simple branch services to digital channels while keeping branches for advisory services. It should also manage retail lending risk through stress testing and early warning systems. Next, Public Bank can use automation to control technology and compliance costs. The bank should also strengthen fraud monitoring and customer education to protect its reputation. Lastly, Public Bank should improve digital branding to attract younger customers and avoid losing them to digital banks and fintech. Overall, WT strategies help Public Bank reduce risk and stay competitive. Next, we move to the best recommended strategy. The best recommended strategy is for Public Bank to become a trusted digital relationship bank. This means Public Bank should combine its trusted reputation and strong financial position with better digital banking services. It should improve mobile banking, strengthen cybersecurity, provide personalized advisory, and support SME digital solutions. This strategy is suitable because it helps Public Bank stay efficient, profitable, and respected, while remaining competitive in the digital banking industry. In conclusion, the TOS metrics show how Public Bank can plan its strategy. SO strategy help the bank use strengths to capture opportunities. ST strategy help the bank use strength to reduce threats. WO strategy help the bank use opportunities to improve weaknesses. WA strategy help the bank reduce weaknesses and avoid threats. Overall, Public Bank should become a trusted digital relationship bank while maintaining its prudent, efficient, and customer-focused identity.